Whew, now that is a loadout that's good for the soul, ladies and gents. I am hyped. Let's head out. Man, he's grabbing just a couple last minute snacks. I have a little over an hour left. Weather is looking a bit questionable, but got some camping and climbing gear loaded up behind me. If all else fails and can't do some climbing, gonna at least be enjoying a night under the stars doing some camping, which we have been absolutely craving. Haven't done any camping since late May, early June. Definitely excited the temps are getting here. Should be around high 50s tonight. We are definitely looking forward to it. So, just gonna crank the windows down, continue on jamming out, and see y'all when we get there. Hey, you excited? Yeah, rope day, rope day. Woo! Called the pig trail because it winds like a pig's tail.
I don't think that's why it's called that.
What'd you say?
I don't think that's why it's called that, but okay.
Oh, are they? You saw them? Yeah. Yes! They got the campsite. Heck yeah. Shee! Got this set up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. After getting the tent set up, there wasn't much to unload, so we decided to sit around and relax for just a second before loading up the crash pads and heading out to do some bouldering. Oh man, it is feeling nice. I'm just hoping this cold wind does not mean rain in the too near future. I'm loaded down with the pads though. Like a pro.
Yeah.
And then my right hand, I got that thing. That one's weird. That's what I'm saying. I got my, yeah. See, you can almost crimp that.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that top out. Sheesh. It was still dry, the vibes were high, and bugs weren't bad. The weather gave it, and we took it. Therefore, deciding to head over to another area, maybe a 15-ish minute walk away, that offers more immaculately stunning boulders.
This is what they blew up.
I've had a weird hand tweak, so wanted to hop on a climb I knew well, but also has some nice smaller holds down low. It does show the time at the top. Kind of dusty. Can you stop the video? Yeah. You didn't even have your left.
I love it.
Try it if you want, Brady. Oh, sheesh. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yes, we dab mud. Right there. That's the money spot. Oh, oh gosh. Campfire hibachi, basically. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. I got a little toasty. Easy.
Some fat burgers.
Yeah, they are. Golly, that smoke. Can you push that with your dog?
That's just disrespectful.
Oh gosh. Dang, that is an all-American dog with all-American burger. Sheesh.
Have a motorcycle at 2.
No.
Freaking bussin'.
Little roast.
Oh, it's over by there. Look back at me. Oh my god. Ooh, that felt good. Well, the rain had held off pretty much all night, which was a bit worrisome. Get some light sprinkles coming through now. Hopefully they don't stay too long. It is only about 8 a.m., so still early in the day. Fingers crossed it's passed and we get climbing. No, it was still a very nice night camping under the stars. Very peaceful though. Luckily the rain stopped, and in about 45 minutes, maybe an hour, we were able to head out and get on some rides. First, Maddie hopped on a climb called Emma's Got a Mullet, one that she always likes doing for a warm-up. After this, she hopped on our super slabby sandstone climb with a lot of slopers called Molt, and what do you know, she absolutely freaking crushed it. Look at her go. That was Maddie's main goal for the trip, and she led it. So after this, we met back up with the group, and I decided to hop on another boulder before deciding what we wanted to do next.
That one's a bit taller than that. Probably like 6 feet or so. What?
It was all about finding that left hand too.
Where's that at?
First part of the day spent back over there. Car all parked up now. Heading out this way to a bit more ropes over on the Cliffs of Insanity. Yeah. Holy shit, fuck. We are almost there, but It is a trek over to the east side, ladies and gents. However, right there in that little dihedral area, that is where we're headed.
All good? Yeah.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. So excited. Oh, and we are back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Freaking bussin'. Cheers. Also sent Maddie up the last wall with the GoPro. Forgot to put it on super view, so the footage was kind of cucked. Anyways, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Till next time, peace. Love ya.